Flags on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Down to 3 left over 2 jumps, don't cut but keep in. 1 right to the dip, absolute. Absolute crest, stay mid 100. Down to care, 3 right, tight and shiny. Cut. And a 4 left at the sign. 4 left now at the sign. And then a 2 right over bump through the junction, don't cut, wall inside. Kink, 2 left narrows. Up into a 3 right shiny. Up to a 3 right shiny. And then a 2 left absolute. And then a 2 left again. 1 right through the dip, braking hard. The 5 right comes quick. Stop and go. 1 left over crest absolute. Line 1 right over crest absolute. 1 left over crest again. Line 1 right to the dip. Down to the crest, back off with a 3 left. Up into a 3 right, they're braking on the 3 right, only 40, stop dead, 6 left, double tightens. Double tightens.
They wanted the
yeah. And a 3 left, now stop for 6 right, double tightens. And a 2 left absolute, up on the crest, cut the speed for 4 right and stop, 6 left, dead. Stop dead on the 6 left.
Yeah.
And a 2 right absolute, and a 3 left long over crest, fast out. 1 right absolute, and the crest, cut the speed, stay mid for 3 left. And then a 3 right flowing out of it. 3 right flowing, 1 right for crest, stay mid. And then 1 left over bump, stay mid, only 46 left, double tightens, don't cut. Oh. You're away.
I am.